Everybody, we're back again with some more addition. This time we're going to use the strategy of a hundreds board. I have the number sentence 36 minus 49. So when you can add in any order that you want. It's best to start with the biggest number. So I'm going to choose the number 49 to start at. This is my little marker. So if you have something at your house you can use on your hundreds board, like a bean or an eraser, um, that will help keep your spot. So I'm going to start and put my marker at the number 49. I'm going to add 36 here. So I'm going to make my use of the hundreds board and make jumps of 10 going down because I'm adding. And then I'm going to move this way and back down to the next row to add my 1. So I'm going to add 3 jumps of 10. That's 1, 2, 3. So I've added the 30 part. Now I need to add the 6 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number I landed on is 85. So 36 plus 49 equals 85.